I introduced them. Oh, excuse me, said the pig. Whoa. I just want to burp. That root would be good. It just, woo, that AW. That A and W. I didn't want my damn. I got the root beer in the building. Give me. Oh my goodness. How y'all been doing? I'm gonna be on here for 10 more minutes, y'all. And then, oh, excuse me. Low key, I kinda don't like ice in my drinks. When I got a straw. You know how you be trying to drink, you wanna get that drink, your drink on? You be like, I just wanna, ooh. Can't even do that with that ice. The ice be in the way, it be blocking you from getting the drink. You be like, danger. We're gonna make this work. So I only ate meat today, y'all. Eat some meat. Ooh, excuse me. Woo! Woo. Who say that? What's the name? Reborn artist. I felt it coming. Wait a minute. Nah. When did Larry get a tail? Okay, y'all. So. Oh. Anyway, y'all, when I finish doing it, ooh, excuse me. Look at that. That's all I got is meat, y'all, today, because I ain't giving to the stove. I've been lazy. When I tell you Sunday, I did nothing. Hardly nothing Sunday. What did I do? Nothing Sunday, really. Ooh, excuse me, said the pig. Woo, Charlie. It's called the B8. The B8 Plus Energy. I don't know if y'all heard of that. That's what I got. I'm energetic. I'm bouncing up. I got a lot of energy. But for some reason, when I go past, if I go anywhere past, ooh.